In my first week using Claude for lead generation, I booked 11 sales calls. The week before, 0. I changed one thing, just one exact tweak, tripled my outreach responses, and filled my calendar. If you're still struggling with no leads and wasted time, this is the system that flips the switch. No fluff, no vague tips, exact steps to build your AI-powered lead machine from scratch. Most small service businesses have no predictable lead generation system. They rely on referrals and random inquiries, which means their sales pipeline dries up regularly. Without a consistent flow of leads, you lose $10,000 to $50,000 every single month. That's lost revenue you can't get back, trapped cash that could fund growth or pay your bills. Imagine waking up each morning unsure if you'll get a call or a client this week. That uncertainty builds stress, hurts your confidence, and keeps your business stuck. If you don't fix this, it will continue to cost you tens of thousands and stall your growth for years. In just 7 days, I went from 0 leads to booking 11 sales calls using Claude. This system has been tested with dozens of small business owners and solopreneurs who reported consistent pipeline growth within their first week. The secret isn't guesswork. It's building a repeatable AI-driven funnel that targets the right people, delivers the right offer, and follows up until a sale happens. By the end of this video, you'll have exactly what you need to build your AI lead generation machine from 0. You'll learn how to create a client avatar that converts 3 times better, build a high-value lead magnet in 20 minutes with AI, write outreach sequences that get 4 times more replies, and set up a follow-up system proven to close 80% of sales after the 5th contact. Plus, I'll show you how to automate it all with Zapier and Claude in under 2 hours. Step 1 is building your ideal client avatar using Claude. Open Claude and ask it to create a detailed avatar for your target market by providing your niche, service, and pain points. For example, input, create an ideal client avatar for a local digital marketing consultant targeting fitness coaches struggling to get new clients. Claude will produce a specific profile including demographics, challenges, and goals. This specificity matters because data shows targeted avatars convert 3 times better than generic ones. Without this, you're shooting in the dark trying to sell to everyone. With a detailed avatar, every message you create speaks directly to someone hungry to buy. Next, create your lead magnet in just 20 minutes with Claude. Use the avatar info to ask Claude to generate a high-value resource your ideal client can't resist. For example, create a 5-step guide to get 10 new fitness clients in 30 days. Claude can draft the content, outline the sections, and suggest a catchy title. Format it quickly into a PDF or landing page. High-value lead magnets that address a painful problem typically get 40 to 60% opt-in rates, meaning almost half your prospects will give you their contact info instantly. Without this, you'll struggle to capture leads effectively. Now write your outreach sequences. Ask Claude to draft a personalized 5-message email or LinkedIn sequence tailored to your avatar. For example, start with a value-based intro like, "I noticed your fitness business is growing fast. Here's a quick tip to get even more clients." Then follow up with increasing urgency and social proof. Personalized AI outreach gets 4 times more replies than generic cold messaging. Here's a real example. First message offers free advice. Second shares a case study. Third asks for a quick call. Fourth provides a testimonial. And fifth is a breakup message. Each message is crafted to feel human and relevant, improving response rates dramatically. Step 4 is setting up your follow-up system to connect the dots. Use a simple CRM or spreadsheet to track responses and automate reminders. Remember, 80% of sales happen after the 5th follow-up, so don't stop too soon. Set Claude or your outreach tool to send gentle, well-timed follow-ups based on previous engagement. This consistent pressure builds trust and keeps you top of mind. Without a follow-up system, you leave money on the table and let interested prospects slip away. When you implement this system, your calendar fills with qualified sales calls week after week. You'll see your email replies multiply, your sales pipeline grow, and revenue stabilize. Imagine going from chasing leads to having prospects eagerly book time with you. Many small business owners have doubled or tripled their monthly income within 30 days using this exact system. The stress of unpredictability disappears, replaced by confidence and control over your business growth. Comment leads below right now to get your free Claude Business Starter Kit. This kit includes 25 copy-paste prompts to build your lead generation machine faster than you thought possible. One simple action today can change how you get clients forever. Don't just watch. Take control. Hit comment, get the kit, and start filling your calendar this week.